It's been a while since I've posted a video on the channel, and there have definitely been some changes in the print room. I gave my shipping station a more dedicated workspace since our small business officially launched its Etsy shop. And recently, I've been able to make another upgrade and add this new Bluetooth thermal label printer, all thanks to Munbyn for sending this for me to try out in my small business. This is the RealWriter 403B thermal label printer, which doesn't require any ink, making it more environmentally friendly. And it's the perfect addition to my workflow, with it being able to connect through Bluetooth to my phone or tablet or laptop, and can also be connected through USB to my PC or my laptop. I know for my small business, I'm not only printing shipping labels, but also product labels, care stickers, price tags, and so much more. Whether you're running a 3D print shop or any other small craft business, the back-end shipping and labeling looks pretty much the same for everyone. You need labels that scan, stickers that look professional, and a workflow that doesn't eat up your time. So let me go ahead and show you how I use this printer in my business. Pairing the printer to my phone through Bluetooth took me only about 30 seconds the very first time, and then it remembered the connection every time after that. Like most small businesses, we are usually working with blank and unbranded bubble mailers, shipping boxes, product packaging, you name it. And really this printer's giving me the opportunity to put my own stamp on my products. So I got these items here that I need to get a couple product labels on just to help identify them a little bit better. And I also have these product boxes that I need to get some sort of branded sticker on as well. We'll test out these Munbyn labels for the first one. One of my favorite features is the automatic label identification of this printer. It makes switching labels so quick. And now it's already ready to go. On the Munbyn app, there are over 2,000 free label templates compatible with various sizes of labels. I created my label from one of the templates on here. And all you gotta do is press print, and there it is. The same exact process can be done by connecting the tablet through Bluetooth as well. If there are some alignment issues on the print, there are some fine-tuning you can do through physical alignment in the guides on the top of the printer, on the app, or in your printer settings as well. This printer features a 2-year warranty and support for multi-device connections at the same time, and is a very affordable option for any small business. And on the tech side of things, this printer has DAC technology at the print head, which enhances accuracy by converting digital signals into precise analog ones, reducing errors to less than 1 millivolt. And this solves issues like paper misalignment and print offset, ensuring high-quality prints even on clear, iridescent, and variously shaped and colored labels. That offers a lot of versatility. I created a custom branded box label as well for some of my bigger 3D printed objects. This is what I think can really set your business apart from others, being able to look more branded instead of generic. So here's everything that we were able to print in our little test session here. You can easily test out different labels and different options for your business in very little time and with very little waste, especially since this is a thermal printer and doesn't use any ink at all. For printing out my shipping labels, I used the provided USB-C cable with the USB adapter. The USB-C end plugs in behind the printer, and then the USB side plugs into my laptop. Installing the driver just took a few moments to complete. So now we can print our Etsy order shipping label and get our product out the door. The labels come out clean and clear, and now our order is ready to go. If you've got a small shop, 3D printing, crafting, whatever it is, this printer has genuinely made my shipping workflow so much easier and has enhanced my ability to create my own product labels. I wanted to be able to come on here and show you guys instead of just talking about it. And if you did find any value, please do click on that like button and subscribe for more from behind the scenes from our little shop here. And for you guys, I've got the coupon code and the link down in the description if you want to go ahead and check this printer out for your own setup. Thanks for hanging out with us in the shop, and I'll see you in the next one with a full update on where the shop is now and where we're headed.